Any problems with your part of the city today?
The business is booming in the main hub.
Makes sense. That's what I expect. There's gonna be no problems. So, what's taking so long on the ravioli?
You really think now is the time to be worried about pasta? With our father on his deathbed?
Listen, Valentina, Young's not gonna get us anywhere.
Are you so okay with all of this? What are you not understanding?
Well, if you want me to be honest, Father asked me to run the business.
You're bluffing.
Am I?
I'm the firstborn. I know you're bluffing.
Fine. I'm gonna get confirmation from Father, but when I do, you're gonna have to face your demotion.
What is that, some kind of bet? My mother would never go for this.
Hey, I'm walking here.